Hey there and welcome to STEMcadia. Today's activity is called Galaxies sugar crystals. In this easy STEM activity, you will be making cool looking galaxy sugar crystals based on the model shown beforehand. The end product should get you interested in the science behind it, and a bonus is that everything will be completely edible. The materials you'll need include red food coloring, yellow food coloring, blue food coloring, 2 mason jars, a marble, sugar, and the measuring cup. Measure a 1/4 cup of water, then boil. Next, you're going to measure a cup of sugar. Add it to the boiling water. Then stir the sugar until dissolved. Next, pour everything into 2 mason jars. In one of the mason jars, you're going to add 2 of the food coloring to form green. Can you guess what colors those are? And then in the second mason jar, you're going to add blue and red to form Try to take a guess before we mix it around to find the answer. If you guessed purple, then you are correct. You're going to add a marble to one of the jars. Take one of the jars and put it in the refrigerator. And leave the other one out.